Hey there y'all, welcome to our channel. Today, we're gonna have a little fun and learning at the same time. We're gonna be debunking some common myths about veganism. That's right, we're gonna get to the bottom of these tall tales and spread a little truth around like sunshine. So, buckle up, get comfy, and get ready for a joyful ride. Alright y'all, let's talk protein. One of the biggest misconceptions about going vegan is that you won't get enough protein. Honey, please, plants are packed with protein. Think about it, what do strong animals like gorillas eat? Plants! Lentils, chickpeas, black beans, these little guys are protein powerhouses. And don't even get me started on tofu. Tofu is like a blank canvas, y'all. You can season it up with anything to make it taste like a dream, and bam! Protein galore. And let's not forget about nuts and seeds. A handful of almonds, some sunflower seeds sprinkled on your salad. Those are little nuggets of protein that will keep you going all day long. So put your mind at ease, my friend. Getting enough protein on a vegan diet is as easy as pie, and just as delicious. Now let's talk about the myth that being vegan is expensive. Listen, I'm here to tell you that eating vegan can actually save you money, honey. You don't have to shop at fancy health food stores, no ma'am. Think about it. What are some of the cheapest foods out there? Rice, beans, lentils, potatoes, all vegan staples. These are the foods that have been feeding families for generations, and they are budget-friendly and oh so good for you. Frozen fruits and vegetables are your best friend. They last longer, so you throw away less, and they're packed with nutrients. Plus, no need to spend precious time chopping and prepping. Just toss them in a pan and you're good to go. And let's not forget about good old-fashioned home cooking. Making your own meals from scratch is not only more affordable, but also way more delicious and satisfying. So ditch the myth that being vegan is expensive. It's all about making smart choices and embracing the abundance of affordable plant-based options out there. Now, let's talk about the myth that vegans only eat lettuce. Honey, please. That's like saying all there is to eat in the world is plain white bread. Boring. The vegan world is bursting with flavor and creativity. From creamy curries and spicy stir-fries to hearty stews and flavorful pasta dishes, there's a whole world of deliciousness out there just waiting to be explored. Fruits, vegetables, grains, legumes, nuts, seeds, these are the building blocks of a vibrant and delicious vegan diet. And don't even get me started on all the amazing plant-based alternatives available these days. We've got plant-based burgers, sausages, cheeses, ice cream, you name it. So if you think going vegan means saying goodbye to flavor, think again. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover a whole new world of culinary delights. Let's address the myth that vegans don't get enough nutrients. Listen, a well-planned vegan diet is packed with all the vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants your body needs to thrive. We get our vitamin B12 from fortified plant milks and nutritional yeast, our iron from leafy greens and beans, and our calcium from tofu and fortified orange juice. It's all about making mindful choices and embracing a variety of foods. And here's a little secret: plant-based foods are naturally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, and they're packed with fiber, which is great for your digestion. So not only are you getting all the nutrients you need, but you're also doing your body a world of good. Remember, a balanced and varied vegan diet is a beautiful thing. And finally, let's debunk the myth that being vegan is difficult. Listen, with all the amazing resources and support available these days, going vegan has never been easier. We've got vegan restaurants popping up left and right, grocery stores with dedicated vegan sections, and countless online resources with delicious recipes and helpful tips. Plus, there's a whole community of compassionate and supportive vegans out there ready to welcome you with open arms. Being vegan is not about being perfect. It's about doing what you can, when you can, to make a difference for animals, the planet, and your own health. And trust me, once you experience the joy and abundance of a vegan lifestyle, you'll never look back. Thanks for coming along on this myth-busting adventure with me, y'all. I hope you learned a thing or two and feel inspired to embrace the joy of veganism. Remember, every little step you take towards a kinder and more compassionate world makes a difference. Spread the love, y'all. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you next time.